Jammu Kashmir personnel and CRPF personnel were attacked by a unruly mob on Monday. They were protesting against the gondola services, the project which has been given a green signal by Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board. This project is about 250 crores and it is going to be built in next 2 years. Actually, this gondola project is going to start from Tarakot Mark to Sanchi Chhat. As per the information the Shrine Board says, as per more services are going to be provided to pilgrims, and for their own safety and for their own convenience, these services are going to be started in next 2 years, because more and more people can come and visit Mata Vaishno Devi. As of now, people have to climb a lot, for which some people who are elderly or who can't go and visit or do darshan will have they can also do darshan of Mata Vaishno Devi. Mata Vaishno Devi shrine is a holy shrine in Katra region. Meanwhile, the protests were happening there. The shopkeepers were saying that earlier helicopter services and also e-rickshaws, which they started from Sanji Chhat, had affected their livelihood. Their livelihood was affected, and now if this gondola services are given a go-ahead, their livelihood is also going to take a hit again once more. That's the reason why most of the shops were shut throughout the way, and also they were protesting near the bus stop, the central bus stop, which is in Katra region. Meanwhile, the SSP of Jammu Kashmir Police, Mr. Paramveer Singh, he told NDTV that some people have been protesting since last 3 to 4 days. Today, some of them had pelted stones at a police team. They are trying to handle the situation, and hopefully soon normalcy would be restored in that region. Meanwhile, the issue was also raised before the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Manoj Sinha. As per him, he says the focus is entirely on employment. The Divisional Commissioners Committee has had a proper discussions with all the people, and if there is a genuine concern of these shopkeepers, that would also be looked into. Meanwhile, people who are reaching there for darshan, they say that they are having some kind of difficulties. Thousands and thousands of people reach there at Katra for darshan, because this is a holy pilgrimage for Hindus, and people from all over India come here to do darshan. In New Delhi, this is Neeta Sharma reporting for NDTV.